Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do something super fun and easy, and that is how to style your hair with a scarf 3 different ways. I got my scarf right here from Chapters, and the brand was called Love and Lore. So for this first look, you're only going to need a scarf. You can fold it in half from corner to corner, and then fold it in half again to the width of a headband. Bring the middle of the headband to the base of your neck and tie the 2 ends in the front with 2 knots. Make sure to pull it tight so the scarf doesn't slip off. Once you've tied both knots, you can tie it into a little bow. Another option you can do is tuck in the ends of the knots under the headband. For this look, you're going to need a clip and a hair tie. First, just start by sectioning out the pieces of hair that you want to frame your face. So you'll tie back the rest of your hair just to get it out of the way. The scarf should be folded in half from corner to corner, and you're going to take the middle and drape it over the top of your head and tie a knot in the back. Once it's secured, take out the clip and the hair tie. For this look, all you'll need is an elastic and your scarf. First, you'll section out the hair that you want to wear half up. Tie the elastic, but don't pull the ponytail all the way through to create a little bun. Next, you'll wrap the scarf around itself and tie it under the bun you just created. Make sure you pull the knot tight so it doesn't fall out. Gently pull on the hair to create a little bit more volume. You can leave it like that, or you can tie it in a little bow. Hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe below, and I will see you guys later.